they do, Chris. They're not like you.
I don't like the crust.
Well, you don't even know what the crust tastes like. They're like perch, it seems.
I don't know what they are.
Like perch. Try and get them to come closer.
Turtles, come here. Turtles, come here. Oh.
Look at the fish. Look at the fish.
Don't turn the food right. A little bit. Hey, turtles. Mommy, he did it.
Hey, Chris, what are you doing?
Throwing.
Throwing what?
Throwing bread.
To who?
The turtle.
Yeah? Are you having fun?
Yeah. Ah! Mommy! He got a bread!
Yeah.
Yeah! They sure like it.
They do.
Kill more salad, Dad. Kill more.
Okay.
I think they do like
There's more
this
up there coming.
one, I guess.
Wait till see the other ones that didn't get any yet. Let's wait till they come in. There's one way out there too. They're all coming in.
But I can't throw it down there if that's not the go.
Hey, you want me to see? Let me
Yeah.
see if Daddy don't. Watch Daddy.
Ooh.
You think they're perch? Something. I don't know what
Yeah,
they are.
it's perch.
I think the perch doesn't like this.
Good sized turtles.
There they are.